good day to you. My name is Maria Eda Escalona. You can just call me Eda for short. I am 24 years old and living in Manila City, Philippines. I have been teaching English for 3 years now. Why, you ask? Maybe because I love teaching and communicating. I get to help someone and I get to learn from my student as well, like cultures, practices, and everything. Aside from that, I also have extensive experience in corporate setting. I am familiar with different financial terms, business models, and processes. As for my spare time, I love reading books, watching films, and listening to good music. I always wanted to explore different subjects. I hope I could be part of your growing team as I am really passionate about languages and teaching English online. I also make sure that my students will have fun while studying and at the same time will learn something new.